Hey guys, Laziest. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm all about creative, smart ways that will help you make money every single day. After trying more than 13 side hustle, I have discovered the one that is best for 2025. It is flexible, lucrative, and demand just 30 minutes of your time daily for you to start earning. Today, let's dive into market research. An easy, no experience side hustle that worth your time. Why most side hustle fall short? Let's be honest. Most side hustle are either time consuming for what you earn. At times, it requires some significant amount of investment upfront or demand specialized skills. Market research stands out because 1. No experience needed. You can start earning with minimal effort. 2. The income potential is realistic and you can earn up to $1,000 monthly. Now you may ask, what is market research? Market research involves testing of product, apps, or ideas for companies. Businesses value your honest feedback, which you can provide through online survey, focused groups, or user testing platforms. Why market research is the best side hustle for 2025. Here is why I love market research. It is flexible, there's no strict schedules. You choose when and how much you want to work. It is lucrative. You can earn up to $10 to $300 for every single study, depending on the complexity and time. No barriers for entry, no prior experience is needed. With so many studies available, you will be qualified for at least a few of them. How it works: sign up on multiple platforms, diversify your options to increase your chances of getting selected. Daily routine: spend at least 30 minutes of your time to apply for as many studies as possible. Now the payment: quick study 5 to 10 minutes pays $10 to $50. Longer study 1 hour or more can pay $100 to $300 per study. To get started, here are some trusted and legit platforms. 1. Dcot, great mix of short tags. They pay between $5 to $10 for short tags, while longer studies it's between $100 to $300 per study. 2. User testing, ideal for testing website and apps. They pay $10 for 20 minutes tags. 3. Respondents, high-paying studies for professional demographics. Pay ranges from $50 to $300. 4. Survey junkie, they pay for completing of survey tasks. Simpler and lower payout, it's between $1 to $50. 5. Focusgroup.com, they connect you with in-person and online focus groups. Tip for success: complete your profile. Companies prefer detailed profile for them to be able to assign you for a particular study. Act fast, opportunity closes quickly. Endeavor to apply for studies as early as possible. Be professional, provide quality feedback in order for you to increase your chances of approval rates. Diversify, sign up on many platforms in order for you to increase your opportunities. Market research, user testing, and paid focus groups are some of the easiest and rewarding side hustles for 2025. Whether you are looking for extra cash or flexibility to earn, this is an excellent choice for you. If you want a full list of these platforms to get started, let me know down in the comment section. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have tried market research and how it worked. Thanks for watching, guys. The next video that is showing up on your screen is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online the laziest way ever. Click on it and I'll see you there.